Within the field of solidarity, there are quite productive applications that allows people with disabilities to find help. This is the case of Be My Eyes, an application created so that, both as blind people and as volunteers, they can register to be able to generate the help exercise. It is an application to help blind people with their daily exercises. Through this, they can request help. When the application is activated, it looks for an available volunteer. When this one accepts it generates a video call automatically in which the volunteer can see through the blind person's cell phone. This in order to help him with a request. Generally, it can be to help him find some object, read some notice, or also he could need help to describe some situation that is happening far away. You can find the application in App Store or Play Store. When you open it, you will find a number of blind people and volunteers registered around the world. If you are the one who wants to help with the procedure to register a blind friend or relative, select in an individual assistance. Then you can select him and new and register with the basic data, name, email, and password. Also, you can register directly with a social network account like Facebook or Google. After that, you will be able to log in. You will immediately see in the Home tab a button that covers the whole screen. If you want to ask for help to any volunteer, you just have to press it, and the application will connect you with the first volunteer you find available. In the next tab, with the heart icon, you will find moving stories that have been carried out thanks to the application. And finally, in the settings section, you can find how to change the language and settings of the application itself. When you enter as a volunteer, besides doing the same initial protocol to log in, you only have to select I would like to volunteer, and you will simply have to wait for the application to notify you. When someone with a disability needs help accepting the application will show you a small pre-recorded video that will show you how the video call connection works, and ready you will be able to provide help to someone who needs it.